Hello everyone, welcome to the last video. This video is for the Capstone project, and in this video I will talk to you about the result that I have achieved using the unit learning outcomes in the unit guide. So first, I will talk about how I achieve critically analyze and assess argument presented in both scholarly and popular text by doing the graph test. As I remember, this was for us to prepare for the group assignment. By doing this, it allows me to read through my resources, what I chose for my part in the assignment, and to think and analyze it in a critical way, and also adding my personal thought into it. It took me a while to do the graph test, but on the good side, I did spend my time doing it, so now I know how to do it and do it better next time. For the outcome number two, it formulate coherent arguments and present evidence based on analysis of information to develop and support a position. And there's in my mind, there's only one assignment that would fit this perfectly. That is the debate. So here I put up three screenshots to provide from the how I begins the debate and to the end of the debate. So first photo screenshot is the resolution for the panel debate. Our team have 5 members, so we divide 4 people gonna do each resolution, and one person gonna report all of the ideas. I'm the one who did the resolution number two. Women are better entrepreneur than men. Uh, that's the second screenshot is my result for what I analyzed, what I researched. But sadly, our team did not make a debate on it. Quite sad, but it's okay. After the debate or during the debate, I experienced quite a lot because first thing you need to listen a lot. You need to really focus into what the opposite team is saying, so you can rebuttal them. But I couldn't do that because when the opponent teams say about a topic that I'm not like prepared, that I'm not used to, I don't know what to rebut them. So I just repeat what they said and then continue with my team IDs. So that's a minus for me. Also, when doing for the debate, for the research, you research for both sides. So so there you have to look at a problem in many point of view. So it can help you to improve your critical thinking again. Yeah. And the final screenshot is the result that I got from my debate, which is 13.5 out of 15. Quite high. I'm quite pleased with it. For the next outcomes, develop a cohesive, comprehensive understanding of the academic research process. I think the poster gonna fit pretty well in here. So to do this poster presentation, I think every student who participated in this have to do a lot of research, as was me. I have to research about the LGBTQ community. Like there are interview of them, um, like association that interviewed them about what they experience in the workplace that doesn't support them. I have to research about the laws of the government that does the government support the community? What do they have, and what have the community been through during the time that they've been, looking for their acceptance in the society? So by doing the presentation, I can see that I can apply a lot of what I have learned in previously, like in the craft test, the 3-column note. Like I actually use the 3-column notes to develop my ideas for the poster presentation as well as the individual essay. It's really cool. For outcome number 4, use sources to support an argument as well as avoiding plagiarism in writing. I think the group essay would fit in here pretty well. So for the group essay, uh, our topic is about gender equality in recruitment progress, and I'm in I'm responsible for the gender discrimination in employee that affect their health. So in the screenshot on the left side, it's my my outlines for my final result. I I had two ideas to it, which is the gender discrimination affect negatively to the employee mental health and the LGBT support policies. But then our team decided to remove the LGBT support policy out and just focus just for the negative impact. And as in to do the this essay, also I have to use a lot of resources. In the screenshot, you can see that I only used one source for the mental health, but in the uh, final result, I used like I think as I see like more than four or five sources. So I think like during the time that um, I'm doing it, my team helped me to develop ideas a lot, and so I can find resources to put it into the final result. And lastly, the last outcome, write an academic essay using appropriate academic writing styles, citations, and bibliographies using APA. This is for the individual essay. I did not submit this into the class spreadsheet because I didn't finish it. I didn't like done anything, so I just did this outlines like quite 2 day ago. So it's not finished. It's still in work in progress. So to do this, I need the order for outlines. I have to understand first. I need to understand the academic research progress, then have to analyze it critically. I have to use evidence to support my my ideas and uh, provide evidence as well. And most important thing, avoid plagiarism. That's an important thing. So this individual essay is the combination of everything that I've learned throughout 12 weeks in academic English, and this is the final result. So I have created this small roadmap for my academic English journey. So first, uh, in the beginning of the subject, we have to learn how the skill to critical thinking and analyzing what we read, and how to present our idea in both scholarly and popular text in writing and speaking. We have to debate. It's help us to present evidence based on the analysis on what we read, and develop support a position. You know, it doesn't have to be a position. It's like many point of view, many position. To critically analyze a result, a problem. Move on to develop a comprehensive understanding of what we read, what we research for, and that's what the poster presentation is for. How to use the sources to supply an argument, as well of avoid plagiarism, because it's it's a crucial thing in um, academic writing. Now we have the group essay for that, and the combination of everything that we learn that is the individual essay in our final exams. So, so this is the end of the final video for academic English. Thank you everyone for making this an interesting class, especially Miss Anna. Thank you for all your support of the knowledge that you've been teaching us and all the effort of helping us to be better. Um, I really appreciate that you spent your time remembering every single one of us, our names. You spend your time, you have to look at our faces and then the name and then you remember it. I don't know how you do it for everyone because it seems like you have a lot of classes, but you still remember everyone. So I highly appreciate it. Thank you, and hope you have more and more great student and great time in teaching. Thank you.